Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Beauty Style Mama. Today I am going to share reviews about pure glitters, which is sent by Pure Cosmetics, and I think it's very new, and it comes in 5 shades for $39, I think, US dollars. And they send me to review only 3 shades, so I am going to review 3 shades for you. And this says this unique 3-in-1 formula can be used as an eyeshadow base, eyeshadow alone, or a glittery top coat to make any eye look pop. The built-in applicator makes application easy for the girls on the go. Yes, it is. What they says, it's really easy to apply and very blendable. But you can see that I am using the one shade is in Lust. It is in a red color. Yeah, I think. Yeah, the name is in Lust, and the applicator is also very good, because when you apply it, it blends so well with the applicator. And the second one is Queenie. This is Queenie. It is in dull golden. It's very beautiful color. I can show you. See, can you see that? It's very, but when you blend it so much, see, it's very easy to blend. Yeah, it is. You can use it as an eyeshadow base or as an eyeshadow alone. It's very good, and I'm very happy that Pure Cosmetics come with these kind of glitters. You can compare these glitters with Estella glitters and Revlon glitters. I think NYX also come with these kind of glitters, is a liquidy kind of foam glitters, and I'm very fond of these glitters now. And yeah, this name is it's a rose gold color. It's called Namaste. I don't know about the name so much, I don't understand it, but for the name, it's so pretty. See, you can, yeah, see that. Actually, these days I am doing, see, okay, and I will show the Lust also, because I didn't show you the Lust color. I found Lust color is super pigmented and very beautiful for your eyes. See, these are both 3 colors, and one of the color, you can see that I am wearing this kind of shade, so I want to pop up with this shade with rose color. And see, you can change your normal lip color into metallic lip color, and it looks so beautiful, so trendy, and I'm very fond of these glitters. Now I will buy these 5 shades in future, and I'm very happy they send me these glitters. I'm so thankful to Pure Cosmetics for sending me these glitters for review. Thank you, Pure Cosmetics. I'm very happy. I'm sure you like my whole review. Please do a comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, till then, for next video, bye.